Hello, this is KQ3Q. I'm at Everglades National Park. That's park number US 0024. And I would like to encourage you to activate a park if you have never done so. Let me know where you are in your CW journey. And if you have not started learning CW, I encourage you to try it. It's a lot of fun. It's not something that you will learn overnight, but with practice, you can learn CW. So come on, let's do this together. I'm no expert at CW, no expert at POTA, but I truly enjoy doing these little activations. So I hope that you can enjoy my little silly videos. But anyway, I'll be using my MFJ 9200, my hamstick shark antenna, 20 meters, and hopefully I'll be able to get my 10 contacts quicker than I did last time. It took me a little bit over an hour to get 10 contacts. Last week was really rough, so hopefully today will be a lot better. Thank you for tuning in. Again, this is KQ3Q. I'll be using my MFJ 9200. I have my external speaker, my UTC clock. I have my Bioino power. I can't pronounce this word, but anyway, this is the battery that I have. Let me just put it in the shadow right here, just in case. And I'll be using this paddle today, the CW Morse paddle. I'll be using headsets as well. I have an audio splitter. One connects to my speaker and the other one to my external headset. Then obviously my notepad, my pencil, and myself. Today I used my 20-meter shark antenna. I did my activation for my car. And my setup, it's very simple. It looks so messy. That's just about it. I got 28 contacts. And this, actually, I'm at the parking lot of the Welcome Center at Everglades National Park. One of these days I'll go all the way inside and make a nice video with the different sceneries that Everglades National Park has to offer.